Welcome to the Info Ghost. Today, we're counting down the safest car in the world. From advanced safety features to impeccable crash test ratings, we'll explore what makes these vehicles the best choice for you and your loved ones. When it comes to safety, there are several features to look for. Advanced airbags, electronic stability control, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and autonomous emergency braking are just a few. These features work together to prevent accidents and protect occupants in the event of a crash. Several cars stand out for their exceptional safety records. The Volvo XC90, Toyota Avalon, Honda Accord, Subaru Outback, and Tesla Model 3 are all top contenders. Each of these vehicles boasts impressive safety features and crash test ratings. Crash test ratings are crucial in determining a car's safety. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS conduct rigorous tests to evaluate a vehicle's performance. Our top contenders have perfect or near perfect ratings from both organizations. After reviewing the data, one car stands out as the safest, the Volvo XC90, with a perfect 5-star NHTSA rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. This vehicle is unparalleled. Its advanced safety features, including run-of-road protection and pilot assist, make it a leader in the industry. The Volvo XC90 is a game-changer. Its commitment to safety is unmatched. Smith praises the vehicle's comprehensive approach to safety, citing its impressive crash test performance and innovative features. So, what makes the Volvo XC90 so safe? Some notable features include advanced airbags, electronic stability control, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, autonomous emergency braking, run-of-road protection, pilot assist. When it comes to safety, the Volvo XC90 is the clear winner. Its perfect crash test ratings, advanced safety features, and expert endorsements make it the safest car in the world. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when choosing a vehicle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative content.